What'd you think?
Are you videotaping this?
Indeed I am.
I thought it was very impressive.
Cool. Would you come back to see it again, stay with your parents?
Absolutely. I plan to take them here when they come in a couple of months. We'll do a whole day in this area, this being one of my favorite areas so far to go to in Beijing.
Okay. Noted for, say, maybe certain types of cuisine?
Particularly the Tibetan cuisine and the ethnic minority handicrafts. They have a lot of lovely little stores over here. It's a great place for shopping.
Okay, cool. Well, I guess I'll add in the video there then.